Hello students, today we're doing just a little bit more practice on the basic mixing proportions and ratios. So I'm going to do a couple examples with you, and then your job is to finish this sheet that I have attached in your Google Classroom assignment. So in this first one, we're going to be putting in 3/4 of an ounce of color, and we need to find out how much developer we're going to put in, and then we will be able to find out how much total product is in the bowl. So to do that, we're going to set up a little proportion, and for all of these problems, we're using the same product. We're using Aloxy Chromacolor, sorry, and it's mixed 1.5 part color to 1 part color to 1.5 parts developer. So we go 1 part color to 1.5, and I strongly suggest that you turn that fraction 1/2 into a decimal. It's going to help you out. It's also going to help you out to put a little C and a little D so that you know that this is the color and that's the developer, because our 3/4 of an ounce, or 0.75, is 0.75 of color, so we're going to put that 0.75 on top because that's where the color is. To solve it, we cross multiply and then divide by this extra number, which in this case is just 1, but we're going to do 0.75 times 1.5, and I get 1.125. So that's the ounces of developer, and we can leave that as a decimal because we are most likely working with scales. That's how much developer is going to go into that bowl. So we have 3/4, or 0.75 of an ounce of color, plus this much developer. So together we would add those together, and it would tell us that we have 1.875 ounces of total product in our bowl. So we used the mixing ratio and the proportion, and then we added to find the total product. Okay, I would like you guys to finish out these two here, and you can do that by printing the worksheet, or you can just do it on a piece of paper and send me a picture. But I would like to do the next example, this one down here, because this one is starting out different. In this one, we know how much developer we're going to put in, but we don't know how much color. So we're still going to set up our proportion, and we're still using the same product, so the mixing ratio will stay the same. But this 1 3/4 is 1 3/4 of developer. So that developer goes on the bottom. And we don't know how many ounces. So to solve it, you cross multiply and then divide by this extra number. So we're going to take 1 times 1.75 divided by 1.5. And I get a crazy long decimal, and that's okay because I can round that crazy long decimal to 1.2 ounces. So that means, along with this developer, I'm putting in 1.2 ounces of color. So together, I would have 1.95 ounces of total product. So the only thing that is different is where you put your amount that you know. Please do not go on autopilot and think that all problems are the same. You have to think about, what do I have? What do I know? In these top 3 on the worksheet, you know the color. In these top 3, or the bottom 3, we know the developer. So that's going to change a little bit of how we set it up. So I would like you guys to finish off these last two examples. And like I said, you can do them on the worksheet by printing the worksheet, or you can do them on a piece of paper. But however you do it, I want you to send me a picture. Okay? All right. Thank you. I hope you have a great day. See you soon. Bye.